Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman po ang kaibigan niyo si Jake. Welcome po kayo sa channel ko. Pasensya na po kayo kahapon, hindi ako nakagawa ng mga videos, no? Medyo busy po tayo, no? So, ano bang topic natin for today? Ang topic natin for today, people come and go in our lives. Alam nyo guys, marami sa atin hindi makamove on sa mga tao na dumadaan sa ating buhay. That's very normal. But try to think of this. Marami talagang tao, kahit relatives natin, pamilya natin, dumadaan lang talaga sa ating buhay. There are things that we cannot control. Una-una po, every persons that comes in our lives has a different personality. For example, may girlfriend ka or boyfriend, naghiwalay kayo, you're trying to fix things up but ayaw na nila, may bago na silang karelasyon. What you can do? Nothing. Just move on and find your new boyfriend or girlfriend, di ba? Kung magmukmuk ka lang diyan palagi, you feel sad, that's very normal. Especially nag-break up kayo. It makes no sense, no? Kasi po ang karelasyon mo, ang ex mo ay naka-move on na. What you will do is to make yourself productive. I-focus mo ang energies mo, ang sarili mo sa trabaho, pagnenegosyo, or hobby na hindi mo gusto mong gawin. This makes you not only productive but also moving on. You forget those experience regardless kung ikaw may kasalanan or siya may kasalanan, but at least you are not a prisoner of your past. Tandaan nyo guys, as long that we are alive, every day is an opportunity for us not only to improve ourselves but also to meet new friends and acquaintances, including na yon ang bagong mong kung maka-girlfriend ka or partner, no, in general sense. Kasi ano yun it is the nature of life. Okay, minsan kasi we tend to focus on the bad experiences that we have without thinking that we have such a big potentials na ma-improve natin ang ating buhay. Not only emotionally but also wisdom, na pwede nating ma-share sa ibang tao, Our experience can help other people too. Tandaan nyo yan. All you need to do is to open yourselves and helping others also. Kahit nga sa mga kadugo natin, hindi lahat sila kakampi natin. Magkakapatid nga nag-aaway, magpipinsan, tiyuhin, etc. Well, ganun talaga, hindi mo maiintindihan, magkadugo kayo pero the way they treated you parang basura ka, That's okay. Huwag na lang nating pilitin ang sarili natin sa kanila. Ako, sa totoo lang, naranasan ko rin yan, But I try to just ignore them and move on in my life. Sabi nga ng isang negosyante, earn money, have a financial income, or make yourself much better in terms of your financial situation. You can walk away for those bad things kasi may pera ka panggastos. Pero kung wala kang pera, every time parang pinapatay mo na lang ang hiya mo para humingi po ng tulong sa mga relatives mo or ibang tao. Anyway, moving on with our lives, it's much better because it give us new perspective. Ano bang kahulugan ng ating buhay? We can find ourselves in the situation na magiging productive po tayo. Masakit but we have wala na tayong magawa, People talaga nag-change along the way, Just move on with our lives na lang po tayo. Yun lang po guys, sana po may napulot po kayong aral. Along the way, ang life natin, hindi po ito puro sarap lang at enjoy at saya, May kalungkutan din, failures and frustration. Ang importante lang po, nakabangon po tayo. Yun lang po guys, maraming salamat po, ingat po tayo lagi. Take care of ourselves. Please follow me in my Facebook and YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Ito naman po ang kaibigan niyo sa Jake. Paalam guys.